Now I'm sure you've heard of Björk, Gus Gus, and Monsters of Men. While the music scene is clearly on its A game here in Iceland, I want to show you a side of Reykjavik that a lot of the internet overlooks. While not uncommon to the Nordic areas, street art in Iceland tops that of large, overpopulated cities of its other European counterparts. Come explore today with me as we explore the lesser known side of Iceland in this 2D, non-AI generated art, while we listen to some cool music along with it.